Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to open command prompt in Windows 10? In Windows 10, you can open command prompt in two different modes. First one is the normal mode and second one is the administrator mode. First, let us see how to open command prompt in normal mode. In the Windows search bar, type CMD. From the search results, click on command prompt to open it. A command prompt window will open on your desktop. Use this mode when you want to run basic commands like checking files, navigating folders, or running simple programs. It works with your current user permissions. Now let's see how to open command prompt in administrator mode. To run the command prompt with administrator privileges, type CMD in the Windows search bar. This time, right-click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. The window now opens with the title Administrator Command Prompt. Use this mode when you need to make system-level changes such as managing disk partitions, modifying system files, installing services, or troubleshooting network issues. Without administrator rights, some advanced commands won't work and will give you an access denied error. This is how you can open command prompt in Windows 10. Thank you for watching.